Have you ever been wondering if those cheap Bluetooth headsets that you can find probably everywhere are any good actually? So we're going to test these Chinese $10 headsets, and they do have a very unique way of packing, let's say. They're actually placed in a small bubble wrap that's tightened with some elastic, and we do have a window to see all that thing going on. I have a feeling I will not need even my generic cutter for this. It's going to be fairly easy. Behold, Bluetooth headphones in a bubble wrap. We do seem to have some color variations here, but obviously we got the prettiest white one to play with. One micro USB cable and one double jack cable, just in case you run out of battery, I would assume. Now, removing this marvelous piece of technology from its packing, it's a small bubble wrap. It's very weird. I have never actually encountered this kind of packaging ever. And we reveal our headphones. I will tell you, these headphones don't really look that bad. This perforated leather imitation, I guess, looks a bit weird. Also, the padding, as you can see here, seems to be somewhat misplaced, or I don't know, it just looks weird and it has a weird position. The plastic is very cheap, as expected, and you are able to actually adjust these somehow to your head. This does not work smooth at all, and there is some tilt to it. You can also see to the side there's a series of button controls like mode forward, skip, backward, equalizer for some reason, and there's also the play and pause button. So enough with the introductions and the presentations. Let's turn these cheap headphones on and see how they actually do perform. Okay, so there's a small black power button.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Did you what? It just said something. The 3D Chupel. The choose the device. What?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
The choose to 3D Chupel. The Bluetooth Chupel. The Chupel.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
The Bluetooth device. Okay. So it's the Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. This is what I'm actually translating it to you, and this is what they are actually saying when you actually turn them off. This is ridiculous because it's. Let me try it again.
The Bluetooth device is ready to
pair. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Okay, so I just turned on Bluetooth, and there you go. I hope you can see it. It's B-05. I would expect that those are the headphones. Pairing. Oh, it tells you that the Bluetooth device is paired successfully. I cannot speak the language of these headphones. This is quite ridiculous. I had enough of this actually, and I can tell you that this $10 headset, this $10 Bluetooth headset from China sucks. So there you go. don't buy these China headphones for your $10. Do something better with the money. Treat yourself to a nice ice cream and a movie. Do not get these headphones. They suck and I would not recommend it to anyone. Now I want you to know that I'm preparing something very special and very big for this channel. It's going to be a great surprise. It will blow your minds. It's incredible. It's glorious. Big changes, lots of great content are coming your way right here on the channel. So in order to be up to date with that, do stay tuned, do smash that subscribe button, do hit those like buttons if you do enjoy the content, and do not forget, stay on Jojo's frequencies.